Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to expire previous passcode on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you recently changed your iPhone passcode, then the old passcode will be active for the next 72 hours. However, if you want to remove the previous passcode or the old passcode so that no one will be able to use the previous passcode to unlock your iPhone, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down and click on Face Setting and Passcode. Type in your current passcode. Now scroll down until you get to Temporary Passcode Reset. Locate and click on Expire Previous Passcode Now. Then super bar that says Expire Previous Passcode. Click on Expire Now. And then you're good. Then no one will be able to unlock your iPhone with your previous passcode if you recently changed it in the last 72 hours. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.